here. Number 13, race man Scott Baker.
Who's Scott Baker?
Driving number 79, Tom.
Yes, Daddy. All mine.
Good luck,
babe. Long way to go, brother.
Driving number 99, Tom, on the inside of the next row, race man Larry Pasadena.
We gambled and see. Yeah. Straight.
Coming in early on for this gentleman, number 51, Steve Baker. Oh, I'm proud. We're going to look up early. He drives the number 66 race van. Make some noise for Wade Witherspoon. Jumping to the outside, driving the 0 car. Put your hands together on the second area race van, Kevin Nelson. You want a heat race yesterday in fashion, great fashion. Put your hands together for number 11, Rachel Carpenter.
You got him on your back bumper.
Yeah.
Hey, Steve, what car makes your butt look big? That's what I was complaining for.
Driving the 0 car makes some noise. You know he's a local help Montgomery. We're going to go up the road drive in the late model car number 02. He's also from the western side, makes some noise. Jeremy Lang, late model 02.
All you have to do is do like you did last night. All you have to do.
Driving the number 73 car, moving through our list, making noise. Logan Love on the outside row.
Forget about you, Rachel.
Moving up on the inside, driving on number 9, one harvest here in the Girl Stock Division this year's event. Make some noise, CJ Redford.
Come on.
Out on the outside of him, starting in the number 55. He's a long-time veteran. He speaks for himself. He's a legend in his own. Number 55, Roger Winston. Welcome back here, Roger Winston. Moving up to the inside of the next row. Driver number 2 makes some noise for Jim Rolfo in the car number 2. Driving the 87K makes some noise for Richmond Josh Knoll. Starting on the outside of the 3rd row. Driving the 9K machine makes some noise for New Beat. Running fifth on the inside of the 3rd row. Give a nice round of applause, race fan, Zach Folger. Was pleased to be in the car number 01 tonight for the victory event. He's down in the Keegan area as well.
Alright.
Starting 3rd, driving the number 55, makes some noise. He was an old national champion back in the day. Get him good time. Make some noise for On the outside for the 19th annual, for running in the corn harvest. Make some noise, Cody Cavanero. The ball center to tonight's event. Make some noise for the late model for 16 years stand, Gary Wild. For our late model division here.